Hey everybody, me again, Chandler, Practical Paracord. And today's video is going to be a show of power. I got some official bowling pins I just went get from a bowling alley. And I'm going to be throwing two different slings. 60 versus 80. See which one takes less shots to clear out the pin. Alright. It's a video of power, so it'll kind of show you how strong getting hit from a sling will be. If I can even hit them. Ooh. Ooh. Woo, that was slick, y'all. Damn. Bam! See, that was 4 tries, y'all. Let's see what old 80-inch can do. Yeah! Alright, y'all, we're gonna see what this old 80-inch can do. Hopefully we'll see if it strikes even possible. Oh, 3 left. Man, you can tell that was a hard lick, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. See if I can get the spare. Whatever you call it. Oh, hit's a hit, y'all. Watch out, girl. Get out the way. Move. All right. Move. Come. Get out the way. Oh. 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 man. Hey. There it is, y'all. All right. That pretty much didn't go like I planned it, but kind of the same. The first is more accuracy in a situation like this. But I could definitely tell that this sling was a lot more powerful than this sling. But if you know anything about slinging, it makes sense. This sling is way more accurate, you know. So one thing I want to let y'all know too, I measure my slings full length. All right, 60 inches, that's all 60 inches. Normally, it's cut in half, kind of like when you get a cast net. This would be called a 30-inch sling in normal situations, but I like to use the whole thing. I want y'all to leave in the comments if y'all think I should change it to normal, you know, appease everybody, or you think I should keep it the same. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Also, while you're down there, don't forget practicalparacord.com, hashtag practicalparacord.com, or hashtag practicalparacord. That's it. For the giveaway coming up real soon for the 4th of July. Hope y'all like what y'all seen today. If y'all did, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And when you do, tell me that notification bell.
Practical paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You know that we talking slinging. Catch 'em in Louisiana, Sling King. Find 'em down south, slinging giants like it's David and Goliath. Make sure you subscribe now. All the slinging techniques, slinging so hard I could kill a beast. Come and check me. Hey, I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord. Let's go.